Hello, Professor. I'm very glad to see you. My name is JiangPeixuan, currently an undergraduate student in Wuhan University. My major is remote sensing and GIS. In the past 3 years, I have participated in various kinds of researches and projects. In this video, I'd like to share with you. The first one is called the Innovation Undergraduate Research Program, which is held in our school every year. Everybody has the chance to bid for these chances of the program, but only a small amount of students can be financially supported from school. I was lucky enough to be selected in one group. Our topic is called the LiDAR data filtering. LiDAR data filtering is of vital importance because it can remove the noises from the data. There are basically the 4 categories of the methods of LiDAR data filtering. The first one is called the mathematical methodology. The next one is called the service fitting method. The third one is called the inverse distance weighting method. And the last one is called the moving window method. Among these 4 categories, the mathematical methodology method has many advantages because it can quickly remove the noises from the data. However, people have to choose the window size according to different location. If chosen not properly, then the final result may not be satisfactory. So, in order to solve this problem, we put forward a new algorithm called the split and merge algorithm to improve the mathematical methodology method. Through further experiment, we found that the final result can partly solve the window size problem. The next experience is about the project. I conduct a project of the photogrammetry system design of UAV in the State Key laboratory. UAV is short for unmanned aerial vehicle. I mainly responsible for 2 tasks. The first one is that I have to do the research on the ground control point and to find out its distribution on the final product possession. Another task I have to do is to work with my partner to design a software. This software can be applied to generate the routine of the plane according to different location, according to different services. So the plane can know where to fly based on this software. This project lasts about a year and a half. The next experience about me is about the contest. It's a GIS secondary development contest. My partner and I participate in a competition. In this competition, we design a GIS software. This software can be applied in a social network because we downloaded the data from people. This data is a check-in data in the shops, restaurants, theaters, and so on. With this data, we make the spatial analysis and we can give some instructive ideas to the people who come here. For example, we can tell them which place is of great interest, which place they should not come, because at this time there may be a lot of people, so they should not come in order not to waste of their time. We win the second prize of this national secondary GIS competition. The last but not least is a case study about the Hubei province. We use the remote sensing images and the meteorological factors to investigate the environmental conditions like the forest coverage, like the vegetation growth condition. I extract the vegetation index from the remote sensing image and to combine them with the meteorological factors like the precipitation, and we found that the lack of water means that the drought may have great impact on the growth of the vegetation. When the water again supplies very efficient, then the growth of the vegetation recovers. This case study is I finally undertake this study and published a paper which is published in an international conference. That's the full experience of mine during the past 3 years. Though I have made some progress, I realized the huge gap between China and the outside world, so I decided to seek my further education abroad. Through the internet and some relevant materials, I found that the SUNY's Department of Environmental Engineering suits me well. If I'm honored enough to be admitted into this university, I have 2 plans. The first one is that I want to devote myself in the field of remote sensing image processing and the monitoring, to monitor the environmental conditions, our surroundings, about the forest, about the buildings, about the urban conditions. Besides, I have a strong will to combine the GIS technologies to make the spatial analysis, to know the urban growth. In one word, I have a strong will to use these technologies to make our surroundings better than ever before. Thank you for taking time to listen to my video. Thanks a lot.